Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the epic charging speed test comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone is a Realme GT Master Edition, and next is a Realme X1 Max device, and third is a OnePlus Nord 2, and fourth is a Realme GT Neo 2 device. So all these four smartphones, they do have one thing in common, which is charging adapters is of 65 watt fast charging, but only the Realme X1 Max supports the 50 watts fast charging the device, but the charger is of 65 watt charging. But rest of the three smartphones, they are 65 watt capable of fast charging. So when it comes to the charging technologies, the Realme, they will be using the Super Dot technology, and the OnePlus will be using the Wrap Charge technology. That's what I did connect all the four chargers to this complete, as you can see friends, extension cable. I did connect here, all the four chargers. And right now, all the four smartphones are exactly 1% of the charging, 5000 mAh of battery capacity, 4500 mAh of battery capacity, and 4300 mAh of battery capacity in the Realme GT Master Edition. So let's see friends which phone will be charging faster during this time of testing, and for every 10 minutes I'll try to write down the readings: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 100% and full charge, and 50% which phone takes like less time to charge 50%. This is also another thing which I'll try to concentrate in this video. So this is going to be really very interesting friends to see which phone charges first. So Realme GT Master Edition 1% charging exactly, Realme X1 Max also 1% charging exactly, and OnePlus Nord 2 also 1%, Realme GT Neo 2 also 1% of the charging. As I said, all the four smartphones are completely kept only 1% at this moment. There is no SIM card, everything is completely disabled, all the background applications and everything. Now let me need to connect the chargers. So right now, as you can see friends, all the four smartphones are connected to exactly the cables, and you can clearly see. Let me need to turn on the power switch and exactly the stopwatch at the same time. So right now I did turn on the switch and the stopwatch at the same time. As you can see, all the phones are charging from the 1% currently at this moment. Clearly you can see the charging speeds and everything. And again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's see in the 10 minutes which phone will be charging what kind of battery percentage in the next 10 minutes of time. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out. And meanwhile, the temperature is kind of very similar to each other, nothing much huge difference regarding the temperatures at this point. Slightly the OnePlus Nord 2 little bit kind of heat, but still again I'll be back after 10 minutes of time just to check the temperatures, how the phones are actually charging, in what kind of speed. So during this process of testing, and I just want to know which phone charges first 50% of the battery capacity. First phone to charge 50%. Let's see. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time. In this 10 minutes of time, let's see what is going on with the temperatures with all the phones. 36 degrees, 37 degrees, 36 degrees, and 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, and 37 degrees Celsius. That is 36.7, 36.4. You can see friends, the temperature is how it's increasing. I think 36 is the highest. In the Realme X1 Max, it's kind of high in the Realme X1 Max. That's kind of weird because Realme X1 Max charges with 50 watts charging speed, but still it has got 37 degrees Celsius, 36 and 37 degrees Celsius, and OnePlus Nord 2 is at 36 degrees Celsius exactly on the front and back everywhere. Realme GT Neo 2 is 35, it's kind of staying very low, no problem, 35 degrees Celsius. You can see temperatures, 35 degrees, 37 degrees, 36 degrees, both phones. Now let's check friends exactly the battery percentage, exact 10 minutes of time. So 48, 31, 36, 45. As you can see friends, and the Realme GT Master Edition charged to 50% exactly 10 minutes of time. That is the fastest to reach the 50% Realme GT Master Edition. And I think the next phone will be the OnePlus Nord 2 device to reach the fast 50%. And the Realme GT Neo 2 is still at 38% in the beginning. You can see, not bad. And right now let me need to write down the temperature. And the OnePlus Nord 2 did reach 50% exactly after 11 minutes of time. You can clearly see from 11 minutes of time the OnePlus Nord 2 took to charge 50% exact, not bad. So I will be back after some time, maybe close to 20 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss. I'll try to write down these two readings when the both phones reaches 50% as well, so make sure to stay tuned. So right now, as you can see friends, we are trying to reach exactly 20 minutes of charging all the four smartphones at the same time. Let's see which phone has got what type of, how much charge it got reached. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So exactly 20 minutes of time, and I'm going to turn on all the phones, 20 minutes, and you can see 81%, 53%, 78%, and 67%. As you can clearly see friends, in 20 minutes the Realme GT Master Edition reached to 81% of the battery capacity and 53% in the Realme X1 Max and 78% in the OnePlus Nord 2, 67% in the Realme GT Neo 2. The 50% got reached fastest in the Realme GT Master Edition, 10 minutes of time. Realme X1 Max took about 18 minutes of time, OnePlus Nord 2 took about 11 minutes of time, and Realme GT Neo 2 took about 14 minutes of time to reach that 50% of the battery capacity. So let me try to check the temperatures readings and let me try to write down the readings as well. Right now in the Realme GT Master Edition detecting about 37 degrees Celsius highest temperatures overall. So 37 is the highest. Realme X1 Max also detecting 37.8 degrees Celsius. Even though the phone is charging really slow speed, but still we are detecting a lot of high temperatures in the Realme X1 Max. That's kind of unfortunate to see. In the OnePlus Nord 2, which has got 36 degrees Celsius only, even with the fast charging, pretty cool, no issues. 36 degrees Celsius, 37, 37, 36. OnePlus Nord 2 also, Realme GT Neo 2 also 37 degrees Celsius. At this moment, the low temperatures can be found in the OnePlus Nord 2 device with only maintaining 36 degrees Celsius throughout this time. As you can see, 36 degrees Celsius only. So let me try to write down the readings. So I'm going to be back when the phones get close to 99%. I think the Realme GT Master Edition can get charged up pretty close, maybe close to 27 minutes or 28 minutes, I think so. And next will be the OnePlus Nord 2, which is the closest to get the 100% charge as well. So I'm going to be back after some time just to check what is going on with all the charging speeds. So right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching the 27 minutes and 28 minutes as well. Right now 99% the Realme GT Master Edition got charged, and OnePlus Nord 2 also got charged 99% exactly. You can clearly see friends, both phones charging at equal kind of speeds. So even though the 4500 mAh of battery capacity and 4300 mAh of battery capacity both phones are having, but still they're kind of pretty close to equal. Let's see which phone charges exactly 100% during this process of demonstration. That's what it's kind of really interesting to see. So time is ticking, it's kind of 28 minutes. I just want to keep this screens open for some time just to see that exact moment of 100% getting charged. Because if I try to lock the screen, I won't be able to know it when the phones got 100% charged. 99 both phones are reaching. Other phones 89% in the Realme GT Neo 2 as well, not bad. Even with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, this phone did come till 89%. 100% first in the Realme GT Master Edition. As you can see friends, exactly 28 minutes of time and 39 seconds, 38 seconds, somewhere around that time. And OnePlus Nord 2, maybe this might be taking slightly kind of maybe more time, I think so. Let's see, I did write down the readings and still showing 99% in the OnePlus Nord 2. And the final temperatures readings, let me to check, it's of 35 degrees Celsius, and the final temperatures at the end of the charging. Still it's slightly kind of high temperatures in the Realme GT Master Edition. It got finally to 100% charged exactly around 29 minutes of time. As you can see friends, 29 minutes of time, the OnePlus Nord 2 also reached to fully charge. So these are the readings friends for the complete charging. As you can clearly see what is going on. And one more thing, I did not write the fully charged number because right now both phones are like charging. Still the animation is going on. The animation should stop in both phones. As you can see, still there is a charging indication as well. So it should show as a charged indication. That's the reason I'm trying to continue the test further. And temperature in the OnePlus Nord 2 is also 35 degrees Celsius. And we're getting close to 30 minutes of time. We'll be able to check this both phones, how much this both phones reached to what kind of percentage as well in terms of the battery. 92 and 74. Let's check the temperatures in the Realme X1 Max. Realme X1 Max is really high friends. It's like 37 degrees Celsius. That's 7.8 degrees Celsius. As you can see, something 38.2 degrees Celsius. That's kind of really weird to see this much high temperatures in the Realme X1 Max. Even though other phones were able to maintain really cool temperatures. As you can see, my room temperature is 29 degrees Celsius only. There is no AC, there is no cooler in my room at all. And the Realme GT Neo 2 is about 36 degrees Celsius. 35, not bad. So overall 36 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius. And let me know in the comment section below in case if you have the Realme X1 Max, are you facing this kind of high temperatures or not in the phone while charging the device. Right now I'll try to continue the charging as I said in the OnePlus Nord 2 and Realme GT Master Edition. Both phones are still continuing the charging. Again I'll be back when the phone says completely fully charged. Then I'll try to record the video. So right now exactly friends, around 36 minutes of time, the Realme GT Neo 2 charged exact 100% exactly in front of the camera. As you can see, 36 minutes of time the Realme GT Neo 2 took to charge. And Realme GT Master Edition still is showing charging indication, and the OnePlus Nord 2 just it reached charge indication. So it's kind of fully charged. There is no charging indication, nothing at all. 36 minutes of time. And right now the Realme X1 Max is about 86% of the battery capacity, as you can see 86%, and still the phone gonna take some more time, maybe close to 50 minutes of time, the Realme X1 Max. And the Realme GT Master Edition also started to take, as you can see, slightly kind of close to, still it's charging indication only it's getting, as you can see it did not show any kind of fully charged indication. And Realme GT Neo 2 also showing charging indication. Let's see friends how much more time this phone is gonna require to show the complete fully charged indication. So this is going to be really interesting to see. So right now it's kind of fully charged friends. As you can see indication, we got charge indication as well in the Realme GT Master Edition, exactly around 38 minutes of time. So 38 minutes the Realme GT Master Edition took to charge fully 100%. Now the only phone which is remaining is the Realme GT Neo 2, which also showed just now is about fully charged. As you can see 39 minutes of time overall the phone took to charge completely 100%, fully charged 39 minutes of time in the Realme GT Neo 2. The one phone which is left is about the Realme X1 Max device, which need to get charged. Right now it's about 89%, so still the phone gonna take maybe close to 10 to 15 minutes of time. So these are the charging speed tests. You can actually compare between all the four smartphones, as you can see friends. So definitely the Realme GT Neo 2, even with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, this came very close with these phones. As you can see, try to observe, 36 minutes to fully charge and 39 minutes to fully charge. You can see the difference. That's pretty incredibly good in the Realme GT Neo 2. Even with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, still it was able to keep up with that kind of fast charging. It's definitely good friends. So overall right now in the Indian market, I think for the lowest priced, fastest high mAh charging speed is the Realme GT Neo 2. That's what I did. I can understand totally after doing so many testings and plenty of videos as well. Again, I'll be back when the Realme X1 Max phone gets close to maybe 99% or 100%. Then we can actually discuss how much time the phone gonna take more time. So right now, as you can see friends, we did reach 50 minutes of time, and the Realme X1 Max charged it to 99% of the battery capacity, around 50 minutes of time. You can clearly see. So usually the Realme X1 Max takes about similar kind of time as well before. So even after a lot of updates as well, still the phone, it's not taking too much time. So usually it charges between 50 minutes to 55 minutes. So in this kind of between the time, the Realme X1 Max charges. Right now it's of 34 degrees temperatures, as you can see. But only one thing is concerning me is that regarding the temperatures only. The phone started to increase higher temperatures, close to 38 degrees. So even the fastest phone like iQOO 7 66 watts charger and 65 watts charger in the Realme GT Neo 2, these phones did not increase above 37 degrees Celsius. That's only one thing in the Realme X1 Max regarding the temperatures. So right now it's 99%. Let's see exactly 100% when the phone will be able to get charged. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I will be able to help you out with other queries if you're having. So exactly around 51 minutes of time, the Realme X1 Max charger to 100%, exactly around 51 minutes of time, as you can see friends clearly. Now let's see how much more time the Realme X1 Max takes to show the message saying charged, fully charged indication. That's what I'm going to exactly check. Usually it takes maybe close to 1 or 2 minutes of time. It should not take much time more than that. So in my experience, I did take kind of close to 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes as well. But let's see what's going on right now. So how much time the phone needs. Around 53 minutes of time, the phone showed completely fully charged, as you can see friends clearly. So 53 minutes of time, the Realme X1 Max took completely to charge, 53 minutes. So I wish the Realme X1 Max could have come with a 65 watts charger, fast charging capacity, but that's something few people they don't like, few people they like. But these are the final readings. The first phone to charge is the OnePlus Nord 2, 36 minutes, and next is a Realme GT Master Edition, and third is a Realme GT Neo 2, and fourth is a Realme X1 Max device. But if you count in terms of the milliamperes per minute, the Realme GT Neo 2 comes first in terms of the charging speed, and next the OnePlus Nord 2, then Realme GT Master Edition, then the Realme X1 Max. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, bye.